aim negative clamper to test the performance of the negative clamper. So what is a negative clamper? Negative clamper is a circuit which will add negative DC voltage to the input signal. So this is the circuit diagram. This is the diode. Here the cathode is connected to ground. Anode is connected to the capacitor. This is the input waveform, sinusoidal waveform we will give is the input, and we will observe the output across the RL. So we have given input 3 divisions multiplied by 2 volts, that is 6 volts peak to peak, using the function generator. The frequency is 500 hertz. Frequency is 500 watts and the input voltage peak to peak is 6 volts. So I will jot it down first. So I have jotted down frequency is 500 hertz, input voltage peak to peak is 3, number of divisions, and the multiplying factor is 2 volt. This is 6 volts peak to peak. This is sinusoidal waveform. Means this voltage is V peak to peak equals to 6 volts. Now as it is a negative clamper, so it will add a negative voltage, and we will observe the waveform like this. So the output waveform will be like this. So this is negative. So here a negative voltage has been clamped. A negative voltage of around 3 volts peak, 3 volts DC has been clamped. That's why this cycle has been shifted downwards. Now we will make the circuit connections. So here with respect to this circuit, the anode is connected to capacitor. So I will connect anode with the capacitor, and the cathode is connected to ground. I have connected the cathode to the ground. So this is the connection as per this circuit. Now we will simply connect output to the CRO. So as soon as I have connected the CRO, this channel 2, we are observing that the input waveforms is same as the output waveforms, and we are not in a position to observe what is the clamping, how much is the clamping added. So first we will measure the peak to peak voltage. It is around 1, 2, 2.4 multiplied by 2. So I will jot it down. Output voltage peak to peak is 2.4 multiplied by 2, 4.8 volts peak to peak. Now how much is the negative DC voltage added? So please focus here. So let us have a reference line. Now the waveform will shift downwards. So first I have set the reference line. So this is the reference line. This central line is a reference line. Now I will press the DC button. Now you can see whole one division the waveform has been shifted. Whole one division the waveform has been shifted. One division multiplied by 2 volts. So one division multiplied by 2 volts. So 2 volts DC, negative DC has been clamped. Again we will see, if I unpress the button, no change is observed because DC voltage is not showing. So if you press this button, it means the CRO will show the DC button. So I press, it is shifted to one division. So one division multiplied by 2 volts. So around 2 volts negative clamping has been done. So this is all about the negative clamper. This is the circuit setup. These are the inputs, this is the output, and these are the waveforms. Again I will press and unpress the DC button so that you will see the waveform. No DC clamping, DC is clamped. So this is about the negative clamping and this is the observation table that we are supposed to write.